Today I'm going to show you how to play itch.io VR games on your PC and headset the easy way. If you've downloaded a VR game from itch.io and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. We'll cover how to connect your VR headset, how to download and extract the game properly, and how to launch it so it shows up inside your headset. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before you even open the game, you need to make sure your VR headset is connected to your PC. This is an important first step because most itch.io VR games are made to run from your computer, not directly inside the headset by themselves. Depending on your setup, you can use a link cable, AirLink, SteamVR, or another PC VR connection method. The goal is to make sure your headset is linked to your computer and ready to display your desktop or VR environment. Once the connection is active, take a moment to confirm that your PC recognizes the headset correctly. This helps avoid issues later when you try to launch the game. Next, go ahead and download the VR game from itch.io if you haven't already. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder on your computer and look for the file you just downloaded. In many cases, the game will come as a compressed file, usually a .zip or .rar archive. If that's what you see, you'll need to extract it first before you can play. Right-click the file and choose Extract All if you're using Windows. If you prefer, you can also use a tool like 7-zip or WinRAR to unpack it. Once the extraction is complete, open the newly created folder. This folder should contain the actual game files, and somewhere inside it, you'll usually find the application file that starts the game. Now let's move on to launching the game. Put on your VR headset and make sure your Link or SteamVR connection is active so you can see your PC desktop inside your virtual screen. Once you're looking at your desktop through the headset, open the extracted game folder on your Windows desktop. Inside that folder, look for the game's executable file. This is usually labeled as an application and most often ends in .exe. That file is what starts the game, so double-click it to launch. As soon as you open it, the game should begin displaying in your headset. If the game doesn't open right away, just double-check that you extracted the files properly and that your headset connection is fully active. Sometimes a game may also need a little extra setup, like installing prerequisites or enabling VR mode in the launcher, but in most cases, the process is as simple as connect, extract, and launch. The key is making sure you're opening the correct .exe file from the extracted folder, not the compressed download itself. Once the game loads, you should be able to start playing in VR. Use your headset controllers or keyboard and mouse, depending on what the game supports. If the game is built correctly for VR, it should move you straight into the experience as soon as it opens. From there, just follow any on-screen instructions the game gives you and enjoy. And that's it. That's how to play itch.io VR games on your PC and headset. It's really just a matter of connecting your VR setup, extracting the download, and launching the game's executable file. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.